How to reopen Instagram photos that you already viewed. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reopen Instagram photos already viewed. For this, launch open the Instagram app on your device and make sure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Now sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now you want to tap on the chat icon over here. As you can see, I have a photo over here. So if I tap on the view photo option, now I can view this photo. Now if I head back, I can still view this photo by tapping on the photo option. So I'm going to tap on this again. As you can see, I can again reopen that Instagram photo, but after viewing it for the second time, I'm not able to view it for the third time anymore. Now, the way you can reopen Instagram photos is if the person who sent you the Instagram photo has set it to allow replay. So if they have set the allow replay option and they send that picture, you will be able to reopen the Instagram photo after you view it. However, if it is set to keep in chat or view once, then you will not be able to reopen the Instagram photo. So in order to reopen the Instagram photos, it has to be in allow replay setting. And in this way, you can reopen the Instagram photos that you already viewed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.